Happy Halloween and welcome to the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen. Hello and welcome to the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen, where we're up to our eyeballs in Halloween spirits. I'm going to show you how to make a dessert that's so easy any undead moron could do it. But first, a drink. This lovely libation is dedicated to all of you vampires out there. I call it the Fang. To make it, all you do is combine 2 ounces of rose petal infused gin, 1/2 ounce sour cherry liqueur, 1/2 ounce fresh lemon juice, and 1/4 ounce Campari. Shake with ice and strain into a cocktail glass. Garnish with gummy fangs.
Bloody good.
Dessert time! On today's menu, we have Halloween faces from 1967's Good Housekeeping's Perfect Parties, and if you can boil water, you can make it. All you do is prepare 1 box of orange Jell-O according to package directions and set aside. Open a can of clean peach halves and place each, round side up, into a dessert dish or cocktail glass. Cut eyes, noses, and mouths out of dried figs or prunes and make jack-o'-lantern faces by attaching to peaches with tiny bits of toothpick. Carefully pour Jell-O into each glass and refrigerate until firm. See? Nothing to it. Thank you for visiting the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen, and an extra special thank you to our Patreon patrons. Be sure to join us Wednesday at 8 p.m. Eastern for another Liquored Up live broadcast. It's always happy hour at the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen.